Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. Have some overly ripened bananas ready to be dumped into the bin? Stop! Don't throw them anywhere. Here's a time-tested recipe I want to share with you today. Let's make a quick and easy banana bread with it. Have all the ingredients ready and preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Now begin by combining the dry ingredients. In a sieve, take 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Sift the ingredients into a small bowl. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. Now keep this bowl aside. Next, take 3 overripe bananas with brown spots on all sides like this. Peel the skin and mash them with a fork. You know, the beauty of this banana bread is you don't need any fancy equipment to make it. All you need is a mixing bowl, fork, and a sturdy spoon. You can follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Keep these mashed bananas aside. Next, take 115 grams of melted butter in a large mixing bowl, 2 large eggs that are at room temperature, and whisk until they are well combined. You know, this is such a forgiving recipe. You can get creative and play with the base ingredients to your heart's content. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 3/4 cup of brown sugar or white sugar. Give it a good mix until the sugar dissolves into the mixture. Adding brown sugar will make your bread dense and moist. Next, add the mashed bananas and again mix this well. Try this recipe and share your experiences in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to know your experiences. Now add the dry ingredients and again give it a good mix until they are well incorporated without any lumps. You know, if you want to go healthy, you can use wheat flour instead of all-purpose flour, or even a mix of wheat flour and all-purpose flour if you wish to. You can even skip the cinnamon powder or the baking powder if you wish. Our banana bread batter is ready. At this stage, you can add some walnuts or chocolate chips, or even both if you wish to. Have the bread tin lined with parchment paper and transfer the batter into the tin. You can even grease the tin with oil and dust it with plain flour if you wish to. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Now level the batter with a spatula or a spoon. You can use any type of mold to bake this bread. It can be a cake tin or even a muffin tin. I am topping my batter with a generous sprinkle of chocolate chips. This is just optional. Both chocolate and bananas are a great combination. Finally, insert the bread tin in the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes, or until the toothpick comes out clean when inserted. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. You can see our toothpick is clean, which indicates that our banana bread is nice and done. Remove from the oven and cool it for 10 minutes. Then remove from the tin and again cool it for another 30 minutes. Then remove the parchment paper and slice the bread right before serving. Also serve it with some butter. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week, And until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.